I just wanted to make this video to update you guys. As you can see, I am back on the BMW. I got it back, dropped it off Monday. I would say, I think it was around 10 in the morning, around that time. And they gave me a call yesterday around about 4:40, about that time, saying that the car was ready to be picked up. I got a little confused because originally they had said it was gonna take up to 13 working days for them to get it fixed, and it actually took, I would say, 5. Let's say 5. So yeah, I was pretty surprised. The car looks good, and I just got it back yesterday. Today's Saturday. Got it back yesterday, Friday, and I decided to do, like I said, I was gonna keep updating you guys on it. The car looks great. They replaced the rear wheel, and it looks good. And also, I decided to tint the back tail lights on the car. I left the reflectors untinted because I actually want to find some actual lights for it, and connect them. So I'm probably gonna find some blacked out ones, or if not, I'm just going to tint them before I install them. So yeah, that's the reason for that, and to update you guys on the car. So it's back to good. I'm happy because there's nothing like driving your own car, and yeah. So let's continue doing stuff to this car, and hopefully the car will look a lot different between now and maybe a year, if we keep the car, unless something happens. But I'm planning on keeping the car, just doing stuff to it, but we'll see. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Follow me on Instagram at JohnnyTube, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.